Downtime in manufacturing is one of the most costly problems in the industry. Recent studies show that downtime in manufacturing can cost up to an average of $260,000 an hour, with an average downtime of 800 hours per year. That's over $200 million in losses of revenue every year. Here are a few ideas that can help you prevent unnecessary downtime. Although downtimes are usually unpredictable, it's important to plan ahead in case these events take place. A way to prevent major losses due to downtime is by scheduling and planning a maintenance and downtime session to reduce the chances of unprecedented problems. One of the main factors that hinder a manufacturing plant from consistent and continuous development and growth is a large number of production lines and machines with old PLCs, programmable logic controllers. Tracking the lifespans of each piece of equipment is crucial to determine the right time to upgrade. This is also a great way to supply market demands. Skid systems can become a great solution for plants that are willing to reduce downtime caused by any upgrading process. The skid-based modules are designed to be built off-site, reducing the time spent on-site. The systems will be tested during the assembly, which also minimizes the troubleshooting process. Both of these factors, off-site fabrication and pre-testing, have been proven to show a significant and drastic reduction in downtime. Modular process skids also allow manufacturers to produce their products faster and cheaper without too much hassle. This new method is a self-contained process system that is built into a module in order to make transportation and complex integration easier. Skid-based equipment has plenty of advantages, with benefits such as they are more affordable, they are time-effective, they have high levels of connectivity with the main system, and they're highly mobile. They provide native tight controls. They interface with the central control system, and they support a modular system design. 5S plus safety is an innovative organizing and safety practice where downtime is limited and efficiency is introduced. To improve the plant's productivity while reducing delays and waste, the 5S plus approach is encouraged and proven to be beneficial. It allows more consistent and organized operational methods for the production process, improving the overall efficiency of the production line. 5S stands for sort. Each item of the production process should be evaluated based on its necessity and relevance. Items that are no longer contributing to the process are designated as being removed from the space. They can further be disposed of, reassigned, or recycled. Set in order. The name speaks for itself. Items are to be sorted and organized for more efficient usage. Categorizing, labeling, and optimizing the production lines allows an overall process improvement and efficiency increase. Shine. Clean, clean, clean. Keeping things clean and shiny will help the workforce sustain consistent improvement, allowing clearer visuals of the management and operational process. Standardize stands for standardizing the aforementioned steps. Creating a fixed, approved, and arranged SOP, standard operational procedure, is a good action to cultivate in the plant's working environment. Sustain. Keeping a higher standard for this new systematic approach is key. Without proper, sustainable action, the achievement of the previous 4 steps would bounce back to nothing. Maintain and sustain automated and streamlined processes for maximum performance. We at Optimation identify a 6th S. That stands for safety. The design-build approach has been around since the 1990s, often referred to as integrated project delivery. The methodology of this approach is that the project is delivered by one party comprising both design and construction aspects under a single contract. In the construction industry, this is also called a master builder approach. Although the process isn't considered new, it has gained momentum with the advantages of its offerings, especially in the US and European markets. The design-build approach can be seen from a turnkey perspective with a complete solution from initial concept to a commencement. contract with a good management service that has a single source responsibility. As always, Rebuild Optimation is here to help your business succeed in manufacturing. If you want to explore concerns related to your downtime and introduce new efficiencies to your business, contact Optimation today.